that we have in our booth as a premiere is a 2055 GHX. X means extended. It means that we have 1 meter extra of loading hopper, which means that we are able to load the machine with even bigger equipment, and this gives the customers more flexibility when it comes to choosing this machine. This machine is prepared to take some bigger loads on it. An additional 1 cubic meter sometimes makes a huge difference in production for our customers, and especially possibility to load the machine with bigger, more, let's say, serious equipment. Aside from that, the machine is exactly the same as normal GH version of the machine, which means that we have 6 meter long conveyors, which are able to make the big piles of the material that is screened out of the machine. We are able to lift some parts of the machine, make it level, make it at some angle like this, like it is presented now, improve the flow of the material inside the drum. It's also possible to put there star screen deck, which means that we have also extra flexibility when it comes to screening different types of material, different applications. Aside from that, the 55GH is the same well-selling machine that is really known very well around Europe, around the whole world. It works in US, in whole Europe, in Australia. This is a really worldwide known machine.